Let's begin.
Hello everyone, welcome to Xilir Technologies. Today I'm going to demonstrate project name IoT and solar based design and development of wireless charging for EV system. Component we are using here, Arduino microcontroller, wireless power transmission system here, solar panel, windmill, street lights, IR sensor to detect the car, and when car is detected, particular relay will be on and wireless power will be received on the car. Okay. So that's the basic component we are using here. So I will start with this one. This is your power transmission circuit. It is giving power to these coils. This is a small charging station here, and these are coils for dynamic. So this one is static, you can charge car here also, and this is dynamic. When car is running, it will charge the battery. So now let's get back to this one. This is power supply, 12 volt supply we are giving here. It will give this supply to CD4047. This will create pulsating DC. This will turn on this MOSFET. MOSFET will be on and off, and change in current will be in this coil using the MOSFET. MOSFET number here is Z540. So this change in current in the circular coil will create magnetic field, and when secondary coil comes here, it will charge the battery. Okay. So that's the principle of this project. And these components I will explain. These are capacitor for smoothing the circuit, LED to show the charging is on, timer IC, MOSFET, LED, output for the coils from this point. And these coils are connected all together, and one terminal is connected to relay. And when IR sensor detect the obstacle, particular relay will be on and other will be off. So that is saving the power also. And relay switching these coils. Okay. And IR sensor, you can set the intensity of IR sensor, range we can set. One wheel we have white wheel, so it can easily detect, and previous the back wheel is black wheel, so IR sensor rays absorbed by it. Okay. And solar panel, you know, it is just showing the batteries charged by the solar panel, and hybrid energy generation is here. So now we will see the car part. So on car we have DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, which will monitor the temperature and humidity nearby the battery. Then we have Arduino Uno, and we have one Wi-Fi here. This one is the Wi-Fi, which will send data on internet. Okay, ThinkSpeak server, we will get the data through this Wi-Fi. Temperature and battery percentage we will get. So I will turn on this. Okay, and here we can write our name, and it will show values like this. Okay, now we will monitor the battery. So I will connect it to battery A1. So now it will show the battery percentage. Of one battery we are showing here right now. 4 volt, 72% charge, humidity nearby is 62, and temperature of battery is 31 degree. And all these parameters shown here will be live like this. Okay, voltage, humidity, temperature, battery level. Okay, and here we can add, if battery is fully charged it will be green, if battery is low it will be red, and location we can show, and temperature on gauge we can show. It is showing 1 minute less ago, it means live value is updated here. That's the IoT part. Now we will see working of this project, how this car is running. Okay, first let's see static part. So if I'm turning this battery on, you can see it is getting charged. Battery is getting charged. You can see the power here. Okay, this is first part. Okay, now we will see the dynamic part. Now let's see output of this project for the dynamic part. Okay. Turn on the car. So we can see always it is getting the charge whenever it comes in front of IR sensor. Hello everyone, we are from 𝗩𝗵 Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based software and hardware projects and products globally. 𝗩𝗵 Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, M.Tech Ph.D. thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drone-related services, software and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check the description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.